aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour continuer notre aventure sur Beyond Two Souls. Et c'est parti!
Look, I'm totally exhausted and thirsty, and I have no clue where we fucking are, so just play nice and give me a break, okay?
Ok, donc là on est dans un chapitre un peu grand de mémoire. Donc peut-être qu'il y aura que celui-là pour cet épisode. Et on est perdu dans le désert. On va continuer d'avancer. Oh, oh, right bumper. Et en plus on se fait klaxonner. Super. Oh, 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 oh. Allez, vas-y, arrête-toi.
Everything's gonna be okay. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm dying of thirst. And everything's fucked. But it's gonna be okay. Leave me alone, Aiden. What?
Oh. Ça va peut-être nous sauver ça.
It's okay, Aiden. There's no reason to be nervous.
Oh, je peux bouger, ok. On va dire bonjour aux chevaux. Il y a des moutons. Bonjour vous. Ok. Ah, on peut regarder. Bonjour. Donc il devrait y avoir des fermiers quelque part ici. Espérons qu'ils soient ici, qu'ils soient présents. On va aller voir les chevaux. Salut Jolly Jumper. Uhum. Ok. Quoi d'autre ici? Grange. Bah, je suppose qu'on va avoir dans la maison. Hein. Oh.
Back off there. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Non, je vais pas te faire de mal, toi. T'inquiète pas. Ok, il y a du bruit à l'intérieur.
Hey, I'm so sorry to disturb you. I'm just looking for some place to spend the night, and and I was hoping...
You can't stay here. Sorry.
Please. It's gonna be really cold tonight. And I have nowhere else to go, and... Look, I promise I will be gone by morning.
I told you can't stay here. You need to leave now.
Mendeoste. Ya iya. Ya. Esbazo. Akuri nao. Dobone. Zarahe. Edinne. Ote ye. Katnost ad. Bendako. Dos kas. Ado. Bendago no dos do.
It's okay. You can stay here tonight. Come in. What's your name?
Jody.
I'm Paul. These are my sons, Corey and Jay. My mother, Shimasani. Don't be surprised if she doesn't answer you. She hasn't spoken in years.
Oh.
We're about to have dinner. Would you like to eat with us?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
T'as surtout soif, ma grande. Je suppose que manger un coup te fera pas de mal. D'abord les patates. On va prendre un wrap. Il faut que tu boives. T'en as clairement besoin. Ben c'est silencieux.
We don't see many hitchhikers out here. Can I ask where you're headed?
Eh ben j'en sais rien.
I just keep moving from day to day. I guess if I keep going long enough, I'll figure out where I'm headed.
I see.
You guys are, Navajo, right?
We're Dene.
That means the people in Navajo. That's what we call ourselves.
Ok, intéressant. Il y a des chevaux.
Do you breed horses?
Yeah. Mustangs. We also have a bunch of churros.
Churros?
Sheep. We sell their wool and milk. It's not much, but it keeps us alive.
You guys are really far from everything here.
My family's lived here for generations. I was born here. I'll probably die here. I tell my boys to go. I know there's nothing for them here. But, they want to stay with their grandmother and me, so... It's late. Jay will, show you to your room. Good night.
Alors déjà j'ai pas fini de manger, mais... Oh,
Are you coming?
ouais j'arrive. Pourquoi fermer, genre clôturer la maison comme ça, alors que vous êtes plutôt seul dans le coin? Sacré volet quand même, hein. J'arrive.
You stay in your room. No matter what you hear.
What I hear? What do you mean?
You value your life? Lock your door and don't come out until the morning.
Si je tiens à ma vie. Ah ouais, d'accord, à ce point-là. Ouais. Euh... Ça va te faire du bien, ça. Et je pouvais faire autre chose, là, non? Ouais.
Ashes. What's got them so scared?
Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont brûlé ici? Sortir de la chambre, me coucher directement. Oh mais attends. Ah. Ok. On va faire la fouine. On va aller tout au fond. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a ici? Des chiottes. On va remonter, ça c'est notre chambre. On va aller ici. Il y a quoi ici? La mamie qui pionce. Ok. Quoi? Tu fais? Ouais, t'es en train de te chier dessus, toi. Ok. Ici, y a quoi? Toi, tu pionces. Ok, là-bas, je peux pas y aller. De toute façon, c'était le salon. Et ici, j'ai vu une porte. Y a quoi ici? Le salon, d'accord. Elle a une porte dans le salon qui mène directement dans sa chambre. Ok, très bien. Ouais, mais attends, ils me connaissent pas, moi. Je suis ancienne CIA. Avec des super pouvoirs, tout ça. J'ai pas peur. Si. Ok. Et bah, je suppose qu'on va se coucher. Hein? On va voir, et on va bien voir ce que ça donne.
I know. It's a very strange place. Don't worry. Tomorrow will be a long way from here. Good night, Aiden.
You stay in your room. No matter what you hear.
Encore un rêve prémonitoire chelou, je suppose. Ok, donc la vieille a une importance. Il va y avoir un arbre, des moutons morts, des gens chelous, masqués. Ok, il se passe quoi ici? Rien d'autre à faire. Ok, on va sortir. Genre, ils m'ont enfermé.
Shit. What's going on here? Aiden, find a way to open that door.
T'inquiète. Genre, ils m'ont enfermé dans la chambre. Ah, ils ont pas peur. Hein. Non, non, on va les laisser tranquilles. Ok, le chien a peur. Bon, la vieille, elle en pense quoi, elle? Sani, qu'est-ce que t'en penses? Ok, tu fais ta meilleure nuit. Je peux pas ouvrir ça. Je peux ouvrir la porte, ok. On va voir ça.
What are you doing here? I told you to stay in your room.
What the hell was that?
Go back to bed. You can leave in the morning.
What? Et on a fait notre meilleure nuit en attendant. Ok. Bon, lève-toi, on a des réponses à chercher. Là, on va enlever ça. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé dehors? Absolument rien? Vraiment? Hmm. Oh. Yo, t'es qui, toi? On fait voir ton t-shirt? Il est chouette, je l'aime bien. Non, attends. Mets-toi bien en face. Voilà. Ah, il est sympa le t-shirt. J'aime bien. La tronche, il doit faire chaud. Rien faire, on peut rien faire. Du coup, je suis encore enfermé? Non. Ok, on va fouiner. Hmm. Donc t'aimes bien le baseball, ok. T'es gris. Chambre de Shimasani, on peut pas. Ici, on peut pas. Ici, on peut pas. Ok.
You looked exhausted. I told the boys to let you sleep.
Thanks. I really needed it.
Made some coffee.
Oh. C'est gentil de proposer. partageurs ces gens-là, c'est bien. Ils sont altruistes. Même s'ils sont un peu bizarres. Ça fait pas de mal. Allez, engloutis ça. Bon, on parle? Non, on parle pas. Ok. Chose à voir. Ok. Ok, non, il n'y a pas l'air d'avoir grand chose à voir. Bon, bah, on va y aller, hein.
I'm gonna hit the road. Thank you.
There's a lot of work to be done on the farm. Maybe you'd like to stay on for a few days. Lend a helping hand. Couldn't pay you anything, but you'd have a roof, food on the table. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
Good. You'll find some more clothes in Corey's room. See you outside? Ready for work?
I'm ready when you are.
The sheep need water. Think you can handle that?
Sure.
Facile. Ok, bon, bah, on va s'improviser. Fermière. Eh, chez Massani. Ça va, Mi?
Hi. My name is Jody, and I'm gonna stay here for a little bit and help out. I hope that you don't mind. This is beautiful. Did you make this yourself?
Hmm. Elle a l'air toute cassée, la vieille, hein. Il a dit pour les moutons, hein. Ouais. Allez hop, c'est parti.
So, you're gonna stay a while?
It looks that way.
Great. I mean, it's good to have some help.
Thanks, Jody. Can you get some hay from the barn?
Yep. Il s'occupe des chevaux. On va dire bonjour. On peut pas dire bonjour. Ok. Où est-ce qu'il est? Ah. Hayden, je suppose.
Help me, Aiden.
plutôt celui genre tout en haut.
Take it easy, Aiden. Just one bale, not the whole goddamn haystack.
Ah oui, c'est pour ça que j'ai visé celui tout en haut. C'est pas grave. Bah on a de la force.
Hey, Jody! Lunch?
Okay, let me just finish this first.
Mhm. Ouais, donc j'ai fait une sacrée grasse mat en fait. D'avoir juste le temps de remplir un solo et d'aller chercher la botte de foin.
Put it down anywhere. Thanks, Jody.
N'importe où, non pas n'importe où. Ils ont à manger, là ils ont à manger. On va aller mettre ça. Je peux pas. Ok, eh ben on va mettre ça ici. Ça ira très bien.
It's lunchtime. Go and join the boys if you're hungry.
You coming?
Later. I still have work to do.
Okay, later then.
Faut que tu veux pas un coup de main, je me suis à peine levé là. J'ai encore le café dans le ventre. Non? Bon. Y'a quoi ici? Ah. Non, y a rien ici. Ok.
Hey, Jody! Come on over!
J'arrive. Je visite.
Have a seat.
Thanks. Is it true that your grandmother hasn't spoken in years?
Yeah. My father said she hasn't said a word since my great-grandmother died. That's gotta be 30 years.
Ah ouais, quand même.
There's a lot of work to do on the ranch.
Yeah. Jay takes care of the horses. I watch the churros, and my father does just about everything else.
Ok.
When I opened the door last night, I saw something. Pretty sure someone was outside.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's probably a dream.
Huh. Un rêve.
I saw the dead sheep. What happened to them?
A storm. They wander out of the pen and choke to death on the sand. Do you always ask so many questions?
When I don't understand something, yeah.
Yeah? How about if I started asking you questions? Where you come from? What you're doing here? You probably wouldn't like it, huh? So keep your secrets to yourself. And don't ask any more questions. You'll excuse me. I got work to do.
Don't mind him, Jody. He's okay when you get to know him.
I'll bet.
Well, I guess I better get back to it or Paul will get mad. See you later.
Well done, Jody.
Non, mais il marque un point en même temps. Je suis une étrangère et puis je commence à poser des questions sur tout et n'importe quoi. Donc ouais, normal que ça mette inconfortable. Comment toi et les chevaux? T'en sors?
Let's see what Jay's doing.
Whoa, Steve. Whoa.
Proud and stubborn. Never wants to go in with the others.
Do you mind if I try?
You worked with horses before?
No.
Go right ahead. His name's Ashki.
Ashki. Ok.
Hey there, Ashki. Don't be afraid. I'm just gonna come over there, okay?
Ah, ça te fait pas peur? Hmm.
See, Ashki? That's not so bad, is it? Admit it. You kinda like me, huh? Hey, Aiden. Ever dreamed of riding a horse?
Oh.
Take him to the enclosure.
Oh, trop bien.
How'd you do that?
We all have our secrets, right?
Maybe I misjudged you.
If you want to take a shower, it's behind the barn. Ladies first.
It's fine by me.
Ok. Mais ça va pas.
And then the guy left running. And you know what? He was never seen again.
It's time to go to bed.
What's happening here? Why do we have to lock up the house?
Just go to your room, Jody. And don't come out, no matter what happens. You remember the sheep last night? I don't want anything to happen to you.
God, for God's sakes, Paul. What's going on here?
Just go to your room. There's nothing you can do.
Et genre, c'est toutes les nuits comme ça en plus. Non mais attends. Ouais, alors par contre, il y a un sacré mur de sable derrière. Où est-ce que je m'aventure? Attends, j'avais vu un truc là-bas déjà. Ouais, mais c'est un mur de sable, c'est pas une tempête. Je peux retourner voir là-dedans? Non. Hmm. On va aller checker les animaux. Wow. On l'a vu? C'est pas où je vais, je sais pas où je vais. The fuck? Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette saloperie? Ah oui, d'accord.
Jody! Jody, I told you to stay in your room. You could have been killed.
What's happening here? What was that thing?
You should have listened to me. Stayed in your room.
You have to tell me the truth. You have to tell me the truth now.
It's Yaitzo. He wants blood. That's all he's interested in. We can't do anything about it. You can't fight a spirit.
Spirits don't live in this world. If he's here, there's a reason. You remember Ashley? We're friends, right? I'm just gonna put my foot in the stirrup and climb up, okay? I need to
figure out how to go forward.
Et on n'en parle pas plus du fait que j'ai failli me faire buter par un monstre chelou. Et les hommes en blanc là, ils m'ont protégé du coup.
Hey, what do you think, Ashki? We're doing pretty good, huh?
That horse is gonna have to tell me your secret. Listen, I'm headed over the pasture to tend the churros. You wanna come?
Sure.
Let's go! Yeah!
Et bah, balade à cheval hein. Wow. Il se conduit aussi mal que la moto. Enfin, conduit. Dirige aussi mal que la moto. Mais où tu vas? Oh, ok, je comprends. What? Non mais attends, j'ai entendu un truc là. Là. Il y en a un qui dit quelque chose, clairement. Là encore. C'est étrange. Sur qui parle. Encore une fois.
Look, I know you don't want to talk about it. But I really need to know what happened last night. And the ghosts that surround the house. Do you know who they are?
My father says 5 spirit guardians have always protected our tribe. They come at night to prevent Yotso from killing us. I don't know if it's true, but Yotso has never managed to get into our house.
Et puis on a été
Your
protégé.
father knew the spirit. It's not the first time he's come, right?
Yotso has always been here. It comes at night and steals souls. The old ones used to say, it's a curse. The price our tribe had to pay for living on these lands. My turn to ask you some questions. What are you really doing out here in the middle of the desert? It feels like you're running away from something.
I guess I'm just trying to forget. You know, make a new start. Maybe I'm just running away from myself.
You're like us. You also have your dark secret, don't you, Jody?
No. No, I have no secrets.
G, verkeerde klus. Oh, ze zei? De beba shak ad. Ai zie in de res is.
Daniel?
That was Paul. There's no water at the ranch. Something must be up with the well. I'm gonna have a look on my way back.
I can go take a look if you want.
Don't know if you'll be able to do much.
I'll do what I can. Where's the well?
It's over there. It's got a windmill. Shouldn't be hard to find.
Okay. I'll see you back at the ranch.
Okay. See you later.
Attends. Encore? Daniel. On dirait qu'il y a un mouton qui bêle Daniel. Mon Dieu. Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont fait les développeurs? C'est lequel mon canasson? C'est celui-là, je crois. Mon Dieu. Bon allez, cassos. Ouais, c'est par là, c'est par là. Alors, qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Oh. Ah, Aiden devrait pouvoir nous aider. Oui. Hop.
Good work, Aiden. The pump's running again.
Ah, voilà. Qu'est-ce que tu fous là en plein jour, toi? Attends, reste là, toi, pour l'instant. Quoi, ça? Qu'est-ce que c'est que cet endroit? Oh. Est-ce que je suis... Je peux pas faire ça. Eh, on en a déjà vu des comme ça, non? Hmm. Ok. Oh. The fuck? Encore ce mot? Cour drone par là-bas. Je peux pas refermer la porte. Non. Allez, viens, on va vérifier ça. Il m'a pas agressé, hein. Il a juste voulu communiquer avec moi. Oh, c'est quoi ça? Des ruines?
Dark ground? Why have I been brought here?
Ok, mais encore. C'est quoi cet endroit?
Can you see anything, Aiden?
Ouais.
An entity. Massacred the soldiers in the fort. Could it be Yaitso?
Ok, on va rechercher plus de détails.
Come on! Show yourself, darn it!
Oh,
The forked tree. I have to find it.
on l'avait déjà vu cet arbre. Et attends, mais c'est tout ce qu'on a à voir là-dedans? Non, 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 regarde, il y a autre chose là. On va en apprendre encore plus. Là, il y a quelque chose. Ils se sont fait massacrer. Attends, qu'est-ce que tu veux faire contre des entités surnaturelles? Rien, y a rien. Y a rien. j'ai peut-être fait le tour. Hein. Et du puits, non, il y avait l'épée. Bon. On va rejoindre Ashki. Il est où? Il est là-bas. Et on va essayer de trouver l'arbre qu'on avait vu dans notre rêve là. Normalement ça devrait pas être trop compliqué. Ok, c'est parti. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé ici? Non, parce que les esprits ils viennent pas au pif non plus. Là. Oh. Il est là l'arbre.
The devil's form.
Ah oui, la
So
fourche du
some of my
diable.
visions.
Avec un symbole au sol. Et il y a des choses à trouver. Donc, c'est mignon.
Ghosts. They were wearing these ritual masks. They were killed by the entity. Thanks, Aiden.
Oh.
Weird. This one has no talisman. The fifth talisman. He put it around the baby's neck. Help me, Aiden. I've got to see what happened. It all went by too fast. I didn't understand it. It's just all mixed up. It's as if something's missing. I'll show the talismans to Paul. Maybe he'll know something.
Ils ont invoqué un portail? Oh. pourquoi je le vois comme ça, le symbole? Pourquoi Aiden le voit comme ça? Hmm. Oh. Le vent qui se déchaîne sur ces deux arbres. Ouais, on va commencer à rentrer. Ouais. Allez, ski. Allez, ski.
We came here in broad daylight. We tried to get to the house. Corey, get the car!
Come on, start already, goddammit! It won't start, Jay! It won't start!
Oh, the entity's coming back.
We've got to get to the house.
I don't think that's gonna help.
There's nothing else we can do. My father told you can't fight a spirit.
Bah si, Aiden il peut lui. Chez Massani.
This blanket.
Oh.
It's the one that was on that baby.
Mother gave it to me. Like her mother before. She also before this.
Fifth talisman.
Et c'est maintenant qu'elle se met à parler.
This is where it all began. You need to watch carefully. Remember every detail.
Your ancestors. They summoned Yaitsu here.
They were lost, full of hatred for the white man. They bring spirit to kill their enemies and gain revenge. He turned against them. He was still hungry. Hungry for blood. Yaitsu is back. He has come to take our lives.
We're your ancestors. They're the guardians who protect the house, right?
They know they were robbed, so they returned to protect us from the evil that they released.
If they brought the entity here, I mean, there's gotta be some way to send it back to its own world.
They used a ritual to open the passage. I still remember the incantation, but the ritual is lost in the past.
I saw it. I saw the ritual in my vision.
Hmm.
I'll prepare it and you can help me with the incantation.
Hurry! He's coming.
Ok, ça devrait être faisable.
A fire. I have to make a fire in the front of the house.
Ok. Ouais, ici ce sera très bien. Oui d'accord, à l'essence quoi.
Jody, what the hell?
Trust me! I know what I'm doing!
We gotta get inside! The storm is coming!
Leave it be, Jay!
Shimasani? You can talk?
Stick, Jody! We must find a stick to draw their side!
Celui-là.
That's it. Now the talismans. I have to remember where each of the medicine man stood.
À chaque intersection. Ouais. Comme ça.
There. That's exactly right. Okay. Now each of you needs to stand next to a talisman. There must be a soul attached to each one. There's only 4 of us and 5 talismans. We need a 5th soul to complete the ritual.
This is crazy, Jody! We're all gonna die if we don't go inside right now!
Non mais attends.
Fuck, we need 1 more soul. That's it. We've got the 5 souls. Shimasani, start the incantation now.
The passage is open, Jody! You did it! You did it!
Mais... rentre là-dedans. Rentre là-dedans.
Jody! Shimasani!
No white man has ever been to the place I'm taking you. My people have buried our dead there for many hundreds of years. For us, it's sacred land.
Ok, j'ai la couverture de Shimesani, donc je suppose qu'elle est morte. Oh merde. Wow. Il est un chouette endroit. Ah mais Paul aussi. Merde. Ah, ça c'est Paul.
These are the bones of your ancestors. I'm sure they would have wanted to be buried alongside their own people. I could have saved Paul. I know I could.
Don't blame yourself. My father is with Shimesani and his ancestors. He's happy where he is.
Hmm. J'ai vu un truc? Quand tu te retournais. Hmm. Ok, on a vu un truc. On va aller checker ça. Non mais fais un effort par contre. Ah, pardon. Ah si, c'était trigger de droite, oui. Right bumper, right trigger. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Eh, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Il y en a d'autres comme moi?
So your decision is made? You're leaving?
There's just things that I have to work out. Things from my past. I think I'm ready to face them now.
You did a lot for us, Jodie. For us, and for our people. If you don't find what you're looking for, just come back here. You'll always find a home here.
I'm gonna miss you.
Me too. I'll never forget you, Corey.
Ashki is gonna miss you.
One day I'll come back and see you.
Quoi? Ils veulent lui faire embrasser tout le monde. Ils avaient pas cette relation les deux.
Hey, Jodie! You didn't think you were just gonna walk, did you?
Cool.
It took me some time, but I managed to get it going again. Take it. It's yours. It's the least we can do to thank you.
Et elle démarre au quart de tour. Et c'est une fin de chapitre. Alors, j'ai exploré la maison avec Aiden, je suis sorti dehors. Moto non réparée? Oh. Donc j'aurais pu la réparer plus tôt peut-être? J'ai réussi à échapper à Yaitso. J'ai éludé ou menti à Jay. Ok. Ah, j'aurais pu sauver Paul. Merde. Ah, c'est dommage ça. Un rituel accompli, ouais. Et j'allais enlacer avant de partir. Bah oui, on se tournait pas autour, il y avait rien. J'allais pas lui rouler une pelle non plus, hein. Et la suite, ça sera au prochain épisode.